Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you?
Hello, I am good. Thank you. Hello, I am good. Thank you.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name? My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Ali. Where are you from? My name is Ali. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I am from Canada.
Is Canada a good country? Is Canada a good country?
Yes, Canada is a very good country. Yes, Canada is a very good country.
What is your age? What is your age?
I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am working in restaurant. I am working in restaurant.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
I like blue color. I like blue color.
How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Can you drive? Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive.